Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to type O2 oxygen symbol in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. So here I'm showing you three different methods to type O2 here. Okay, so I just write here. So I write here the O. Okay, after that just write the 2. Okay, then select the 2. Then press the Ctrl plus D. And you can see the one dialog box is open. In effects option, just click on the subscript. You can see here the preview of the sample is showing here. When you click on it, it is showing the small. Okay, and after that just click on OK, and that's it here. Second, just write the 2. Okay, then select the 2, go to the home tab. In font group, just click on this same option, subscript. Okay, and the third way, go to the insert tab. In text, in symbols group, okay, have a equation option. Just click on the equation. Okay, you can see type equation here. So in equation tab, the script option available. Just click on drop down arrow and select the second one, and now you can write here your O2 oxygen symbol. Okay, that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.